Alright guys, this is the instructional video for your Johnny Appleseed activity today on Wednesday. So when you are adding a response, you are going to click add response and then go to this photo button. You're going to click that and you're going to see your face. Just like you can see mine on here. I'm going to scoot it back so that I have room on top of my head because we're going to put a pot on our head just like Johnny Appleseed. So I'm going to say cheese. And I clicked the camera button and now I have a picture. When I get to this screen, I'm going to click on the pencil right here. And if I double click it or hold it down, you can change the size. So I'm going to make it a medium size. And then I'm going to go over and I'm going to make it gray since pots and pans are gray. And I'm going to draw my silly pan on my head. Oh my goodness. I look so silly. I'm going to color that in. It's not perfect, but that's okay. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to add some apple things around. So I'm going to pause it and then I'll show you what I did. I'm going to use that same marker tool and changing the colors to do it. Okay, now you can see I did some different art while I paused it. And so I drew a couple things to help me remember the 3 things I want to share during my voice recording. But before I do that, I'm going to show you the text feature. If you click this T, then you can type words. So one of the things I wanted to write was that Johnny Appleseed was always thankful because he talks about how he's thankful for everything he has. So I wanted to include that word on my thing. I'll put it on Charles over there. Okay, so now that I have all of this done, I have the pan on my head and then some pictures that are going to help me remember what my 3 things I learned from the book were, or 3 things that happened in the book. Then I'm going to go over and I'm going to click this microphone. It's counting down. When it hits 0, it's going to record. So I'm going to start. 3 things I learned about Johnny Appleseed from the book was, number 1, his real name is John Chapman. He is very thankful for everything he has and he loves nature. And he spread apple seeds all around the world. Now that I'm done, I will go up to this top button over here and I will click done. Now, you can play it back and listen to yourself to make sure it recorded it. And then you're going to click that green check mark. You have to click the green check mark. And then you say, okay. If it's saying it's taking the internet a minute, you just click okay. So mine's taking a moment to load. When I'm done, I'm going to click the green check mark and then I will be submitted. Yay! And this part will look a little bit different for you because it will take you back to your activity log. But since I'm the teacher, mine looks a little different. But if you follow those simple instructions, then you will be ready to go. Have fun!